Alright, hello. Hello. It's been a little bit. Last stream, if I'm not mistaken, was... Wait, live? 2 weeks ago. So it's been a little bit. It's entirely my fault. I just kinda... The holidays got a little bit busy, so I decided I would just wait until the new year to start it. And the new year it is. I feel like this is very loud. Hold on. God. Open sound settings. No, not sound settings. Volume mixer. Turn it down to 10. How does that sound? I think that, I guess we can see. Let me pull up. Let me pull up the stream on my phone. God, my headphones got fucking tied up. Great. I love it. I love it. Okay. Let's hear this. Come on. There we go. Testing. Testing. I'm talking right now. Let's see how this sounds. Come on, catch up. I'm going to test something out. Let me move this notepad over there. Put my headphones here. Put the keyboard here. So, ooh, that might have been loud. So if I type on my keyboard right now, I just wanted to hear how that sounds. Okay, so that's what keyboard sounds like. Let's see if I move my microphone over here. Oh, I muted it by accident. See how this sounds. Testing. It actually, surprisingly, sounds roughly the same. If I move my keyboard back here and type, how does that sound? That's surprisingly not bad. I can move my microphone right there. And I can... Well, that might pick up the keyboard a bit better. I don't want the keyboard to be too loud, but at the same time, it doesn't really matter because this is a fucking programming stream, so you're gonna hear the keyboard no matter what. Oh no, that's fine actually. I'm happy with that. Alright. Let me move my my phone over there, pick up my headphones. Alright, so how's it going? Yeah, no, so I realized while I was making videos that a lot of my videos have a kind of tinny noise sound to them. And that's entirely because of like where my microphone is. It's in a position where it's easy to echo. Because I put it in like a little cubby hole. I thought that by having it on one directional would fix that, but it never really did. And when I started like recording videos, I actually took my microphone and just put it right in front of me to get as clear as I possibly could, and I realized just how different it was. So, hopefully this is fine. But, anyway, let's get on to actual work. I haven't worked on this project in a little while. How do you like my new background? Oops. No, that was the right thing. There we go. Expand that. Is that the right size? There we go. Now I can bring this down a little bit so I can see more. I wish I had... You know what would be really cool? I like this background a lot, and I think it really works well. It'd be really cool if I had, like, an Hold on. I'm testing something out. I just needed to turn on Steam so I could open up Wallpaper Engine. Because having those like vaporwave hills in the background looks cool, but it doesn't fit with this current background. I'd like if I could just... because I'm pretty sure... Okay, so 31. Oh no. Oh, okay, so okay, fuck. This background is made for this resolution, so it doesn't have an over... That's a shame. Oh well. It was worth a look. Because if the background like was made for standard 1280p, or even just like Ultra HD but not ultra wide monitors, I could like bring it up a little bit and like save the bottom half of it, the bottom portion of it, and then just use that as a cover, but it doesn't have that, so I can't do that, unfortunately. Okay, minimize that. I have a window here I can use for looking stuff up. I have the start. Oh boy, it's been a while since I've worked on this. I'm gonna be a bit out of practice. Not, well, out of practice with this project. I've been using Odin for other reasons. I need new keycaps really bad. Alright, so let's just clear everything out. Oops. Why didn't... Okay, so there's a lot of stuff I need to do. For one... Okay, so it does turn on. What do I currently have working? So I have main update, main draw, draws FPS, and that's it. Initializing, freeing. Does that. Initializing creates the log. Initializes the settings, initializes player. So one of the things I didn't mention, well, I didn't think about until like yesterday or the day before, is that I definitely really want, I do really want JSON to be like the standard for data input. And I realized that by using JSON, I can actually do some things that I wanted to do, but I couldn't think about how I would do it easily. Like, for example, currently in the old version, like culture, ancestry, and religion are all hard-coded in. Meaning, like, if you wanted to make a mod for it, all of the religions that would be in the base game would be in there, too. So I would have to have a way for you to be able to disable them. Alternatively, what I always wanted to do with it was having, like, the core of the game be mod, and just have the game itself being like a framework that can handle anything. And I think it worked. Like, if I use JSON, I can do that now. Because now I can have situations where, like, let's say we have a religion mode. So we have, like, this is all the religions. So we have, like, goblin, shamanism. And then it would be in this sort of thing. And then we could do, like, buffs, like the, well, it would be more like bonuses, and then, and it would be like, what else? System. Like the, system that the religion uses, and whatnot. Or systems. It could possibly use more than one. That'd be interesting. I personally, if I have control over that, I definitely will, like, rewriting. I have problems with, I'm using Anbenar as a basis, but I definitely don't want to edit it too much more than what is already in the game or in the mod, because I don't want to presume what the intentions of the developers are, and before I go to them and be like, hey, I'm making this, I would like any info you could possibly have to help me guide this in the direction you guys want. I want to have, like, more stuff actually finished. I want it to be like a playable game. So that's why I'm leaning more towards actually, like, working on my own more right now. But The problem is that would require a lot of off-screen writing, and I don't know if I'm going to have time to do that. But yeah. And I can do that with ancestry and cultures too. And with that, technically, thinking about it, I could flat out assign cultures to ancestries, making it so that only elves could be moon elves, for example. All of that though will fucking hold development for a while. I'll be working on that for a long time. I started working on map, it looks like. I actually don't know where I left off. I remember that I definitely wanted to keep a lot of things separate. I wanted to go against what I had been doing beforehand with the game data folder. The problem is that leads into problems where I'm going to need to cyclic imports, so to speak. And that's annoying. I just really wish there was a modern language that just lets you have everything accessible to everywhere. Like, I have like this main file, and then I have this stuff, and this stuff can access main, and main can access this stuff without having to do any special imports or whatever. I would just like that. Everything in every subfolder is considered part of the program on compile time. But I don't know enough about language development to even attempt to think about that. And there's no way I'm working with But yeah. Keeping everything separate, though, is going to be helpful. That does mean, though, that for a lot of things, I'm going to need to, like, for example, like, I need to keep everything as separate as possible so that anything, like, things like localization completely does not include anything having to do with the map. It is completely independent of the map. I should probably start the Pomodoro. Oh wait, why is the Pomodoro? Hold on. Why was it not centered? Also, why is it... Properties? No, not properties. Filters. Where'd it go? What the fuck? What happened? I don't understand what's going on. Why did it disappear? Like the thing is still open. just stopped working. Oh my fucking god. Let me make a new fucking homo, I guess. What the fuck? Why did it stop working? I clicked capture cursor off and it stopped working. What? Lovely. Alright, well, that makes no sense. It's not working anymore. Huh. Well, I have the timer up and available for me to see, so I guess that's just how I gotta deal with it now. I don't know why it's not working. Figure that out some other time. Alright, so closing that. So we have currently we have settings all done. We have logs done, player done-ish. Now that player might be a bit weird because it will need to be accessed by other things. But if player doesn't import anything, then it should be fine. As long as player doesn't import anything. Player does import settings though, but that also just means that settings can't import player. Ugh, alright. This is getting very convoluted. Alright, so I'll work on the localization instead of thing. Now, why do I have game player? Why isn't settings a part of game? I feel like settings should be there. Utilities can be out of there because it has other things other than just game stuff. graphics can be its own thing because I'm going to potentially have a shader. Part of my New Year's resolution is figuring shaders out, so we'll see if I actually ever figure that out. Current system works right now, so we'll see. I do want to learn shaders, and this is the perfect game to do that in. It does mean I do have to change this. Do I need to? The player also had settings. Means I just have to take that down one. Build. Path does not exist. ... settings. What are you talking about? Yes, it does. And this uses debugs, so I need to actually go back another one. Build. Oh, that was in test, not okay. There. Even though testing technically it doesn't do anything right now. So, alright, so it still works. Let's just remove this test thing. And let's get started on new folder, localization. Now, we have, this is how it currently is. So, let me rename this to old. And let me new file, eng.json. And we'll change it to be three letter codes doesn't work though. Because there's a lot of languages and 3-letter codes I don't think handles every single one of them. But I mean, EU4 does it with tags, so I guess we'll just deal with it. Okay, so this is what settings looks like. See, the difference between settings and thing though is that I'm writing this to be readable. So new game like that. Actually no, it needed, where is it? English old, this one. Move that over there so I have load game. Oop. Mods options quit. Now, here is something I actually do really want to talk about. I might have a new name for the game. That is, I like it better, but I don't fully know if it's what I want to call the game forever. It's definitely better than FanGS. But we'll see, I guess. Oops. Empty. This is just separating them so that copy that so that I can do C passable. Okay, so load game mods actions quit resume main menu what is that? Controllable. C. Now for the game name. Now we have FanGS, but also I like this. The problem is it's kind of like it's almost kind of Roma Booey. Alias Mundus. In Latin it means another world, which is kind of the shtick I'm kind of going for. But I don't know. It also follows the trend of like grand strategy games having decently long names, except for one series. We have Europa Universalis, Hearts of Iron, Crusader Kings. The only one is Victoria, and Stellaris is technically more of a 4X game than a grand strategy game, if we're being honest. So I don't know. I like the name, but I'm not gonna fully change the name until like I feel it out. I don't know. So let's open up the old localization files. Make sure it's open on there. Open up both of them. So how is... Oh, I need to also... Where is... So old game data. There. Oh my god. Sorry about that. I don't know why my dog is loving to bark right now. Alright. So basically, localization data right now is just the default stuff as C strings. And then mod stuff as dynamic strings. And I definitely can just change this to be mapped. I can change these to be maps so easily. The question is I could just have them all be a singular map. I don't need them to be separate. If I have them be the same, then that simplifies everything so that I only need to look at one thing. And I can do it inside of... Yeah, no. Alright. New file. Localization.odin. Sorry, I just wanted to check. Oh my god. Hold on. I just don't want to accidentally leak something if... I just wanted to see something. And there we are. Okay. Okay. Sorry about that. Okay, so localization. Imports. See, you don't need structures. I can literally just have data. How do I initialize a map? I actually don't do this often. Like that. Does that work? Let's see. Let me just actually put that right there. It's not in alphabetical order, but it is in an order. Alright, so we'll be doing that. So one of the things I will need to import is actually settings, because I need to get the, let me close old, because I need to get the language. Oh, and I have it as a full thing actually, so yeah, rename. There. I need to get the language, because it will literally just use this to find which file we need. So the entire goal of this procedure proc. So the entire point of this is to simply Alright, so let me update. No, not. Yeah, that's player test. I need to look at how settings are initialized. So starting off by data equals make map string C string and then we check for the file. Let's just move this over here so we can see it. So, thinking about it, there will need to be a a failsafe. I'm trying to process everything and speak it at the same time. It's not going too well. So if it can't find localization for something, it needs to just spit out whatever it's using, whatever the key is. So like, say we're looking for, wait, I don't have it open here anymore. Oops. So if we're, say, looking for new game, but it doesn't have this entry in the map, it needs to just send this out. But first, let's have it check for the file. So if, oh, we need import core os dot is file need this as well. Local location data localization So, the reason why I have it like this is because it's going to have to first create a string, which means I'm going to have to do this strings. It's going to have to concatenate a string. I'm 90% sure. Sure that this is what I need. Packages, just making sure though. To remind myself of the procedures. Builder. Right string. Yep, okay. Oh wait, no. Strings dot right string builder, and then do local location boom settings dot data dot language, and then local extension. And let's comment this out just to make sure. fmt.printf strings dot, what was it? Was it clone to? Word. Wait. I forget how to. I forget the things that we use the builder to. Builder cap, builder destroy, builder from bytes. Builder from slice, builder grow, builder init length, init none, length, make length cap, make none, reset, make space, pop byte, pop rune, toStream, that creates an IO stream, toString. I'm stupid. I should have looked to that immediately. Builder. I also need to do this really quickly. FMT build. Does it immediately work? Oh, forgot. Colon. Oh, I'm stupid. God. You would think I haven't programmed in a while. Let's just do this just in case. Oh wait, that makes, okay, wait, I know what that does. I'm smart. Can I assign value settings to language of type languages? Oh, type languages, what? What the? It's not kept as a... Why isn't it kept as a string? Hold on, I'm changing this. Then languages, where... Oh, this is going to be a little bit of work to get all of these. So data dot languages equals this. I'm pretty sure there are other things I need to do for this, isn't there? Generate defaults. Copy this. Just change this to English. Save settings. So, okay, so settings 50. Settings 50. What? Okay. Can I assign value of builder to type builder to builder? What? That's 30. Oh, wait. No, to string is... Oh no, to string isn't a pointer. Ooh. What? That's something else right there. That's weird because the settings has it in English. Do I already have format in here? Yes, I do. Mt.printf should be language. Should be English. It is English. Copy this, put this here. That'll make it cleaner. What? No, it didn't. What? Why didn't that? Oh, I didn't save this. Why didn't I save that? English. Why is that doing that? Settings, language. Do I No, yeah, settings are set. Hmm. And it's obviously still working because these resolutions should be fine. Also, I found out I was stupid and I for some reason put 1080. I don't know why I did that. Failed. It was smaller than it needed to be. Yeah, that's working, so it's doing the right thing, but for some reason it just doesn't want to put the language. I guess, let's see this. What if I do that? What does it say? It should theoretically say English twice. So why doesn't it? It's the same length. Oops, no, let's not do that. Window height. Oops. Font size, language. And scrolling. It should. Yeah, okay. What the hell? Did I miss a... Did I miss something? That's so weird. Oops. Yeah, it's for some reason not... Data language, okay. Those are correct. What the hell? I'm going to test something out really quickly. Target debug today. So I start this up. What does the log say? Loaded program settings. What? What the fuck? What? Ooh. What? So that does that, but when I open it like this, it works. And then when I open it like this, it doesn't. Okay. What the fuck? Hold on, let me restart Remedy. Yeah, why is Remedy not... Remedy specifically doesn't work. Oh, also another thing I want to do. Let's open up English. So I could theoretically do something like this, and what does that do if it's not initialized? Oops, I accidentally. Okay, so nothing. There are... I'm wondering if it's worth it going through the making a logic thing of like, oh, does this index exist? If not, just print something, or force this, or No, I think having nothing is better than having something that looks wrong. At least for now. What? Why? I still don't understand why it's not working. Settings.json. English. Why does it not work with this? That's so weird. That makes no sense. But it works here. Is there something about the start that's date FanGS? And if I delete the settings, what happens when I start it back up? It still works. What does the log say? And if I delete the settings and then start this, then it says it correctly. What if I start it again now? Ooh, okay. Is that the problem? Like that. If I do that now, build, does that make it work? No. Why does it... That is so weird. Oh, wait. It doesn't work there. It does work here. And if I delete the settings and start it here, it recognizes it. But if I do it again, it stops. What the? This makes no sense. Don't understand. That's so weird. And if I do something like if settings.language is equal to English, do fmt printf. Fuck. Theoretically, that should work, but it doesn't because it's not like that there. But it is true there, but it isn't true here. What? I am going insane. What the hell? This makes no sense. This actually doesn't make any sense. Like, it doesn't make any sense because, like, I guess I'll just, like, fuck. I guess I'll just do this. Go back to the old way of doing it. Oh yeah, I forgot to change the structure back too. That's so weird though, it makes no sense. Hold on, I have a new idea. What if I do a C string instead? Can I do it like that? Build? Game localization 28. What? Oh, localization 28. Settings 50. Yes, the C string. Do I have strings? Yes, I do. And then there's other things. That's technically correct still. This... Settings 151. You can't write string to a thing, so... Can I do toString? How do I get a string to a C string to a string? Oops. There. Clone from C string. There we go. Build. And then localization 28. Oh no. Settings, start data. Okay, there we go. There we go. That works. I wonder why it wasn't working before. And I don't know. That's so weird to me. Let's just make sure it's working here too. Okay. Alright, I'm going to get rid of this stuff then. If I need to add it back in, I can always just go back and figure it out. I mean, I did it once, I can do it again. Okay. Alright, there. It's almost time for a break. Which means this also can be commented out. Build. Alright, so you can also delete all of that. Is local file. Oop, I need this. Copy that. Delete that. Put that there. Do fmt printf just to make sure it's here. Build. Oh, it's not there. Okay, then I am confused. How is it not there? Data localization English.json. That is literally data localization English.json. What was this settings? Data settings.json. Oh, if it's I'm stupid. If it's not there. So if I do that instead, it's here. Okay, cool. Let's just take this, put it there, copy, paste. Error. Oh wait, I'm supposed to be on break. All right, short break. All right, so I'm not really gonna go anywhere for these breaks. The whole purpose of these breaks is actually just to let myself look away from the screens for a little bit. Kind of awkward because my microphone is in front of the monitors, so it might be a bit more difficult to hear me. I should also probably settings, alarms. Wait, why is the alarm sound not going off? Ticking sound. It's there. Okay, there. Alright, maybe that'll work. I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, so far so good. I'm still wondering what the cause of that is. Maybe it has something to do with how Odin allocates space for non-C strings. Maybe after leaving it frees it, not realizing that it's being used later. I don't know. It's weird. It's really weird. Oh well. Oh well. It seems to be fine now, at least. I don't have Notion up. Open on this monitor, please. Nope. But it was quick enough. Cool. Alright, so FanGS, governess. So, complete refactorization. My only things right now are the refactorization and scripting system. Both of which I'm working on. For other things for this update are nation selection screen, province resources, economy screen, options menu, map mode UI, province UI, possibly other things, but those are the only things for right now. I'm wondering if I'm going to be working on any of this stuff as I'm doing the refactorization, or if I want to add it in afterwards. Like, because if I don't know. Probably reworking the province UI as I'm getting to that point might be a good idea. But we'll see. Still gotta finish localization. And I have to change how the UI is handled entirely. Wonder if I'm going to have that as its own specific thing, or if its own specific package, maybe. That might be a good idea. Ooh, I should probably check when does Ludum Dare starts at 9 p.m., right? Oh no, it starts at 3 p.m. So that means I'm not going to be streaming this on Friday. I'm going to be doing Ludum Dare. Alright. Second Ludum Dare in a row. That's pretty nice. Now, okay, so this is the third month for 12 games a year. So January, February, March, April. That means the fifth month could also be a Ludum Dare month. May, June, July, August, September, October. So that means we'll have... I'll have to ask Yared about that. Because we would have 2 more Ludum Dares also within the 12 months. That's interesting. Just taking a glance at my calendar. I have an actual physical calendar for this year. Now, the problem with Ludum Dare 53 in April is that it's on the 28th. That's a problem for our project because that's the end of it. That's the end of the month. It would be finishing Because we would have 48 hours or 72 for the combo. I mean, for the jam. I always forget how long things are. I'm pretty sure it's 48 hours for the compo, 72 for the jam. I don't know what we'll be doing because if we do the 72 hours, that would put us at 24, 48, 72. That would put us at Monday at 3. Which would mean we would have all of Sunday to work on it. But that extra time on Monday from like more or less midnight to 3, so like 15 hours would be basically wasted. Nearly half of it. Well, no, over half of it. 15 would be over half of 24. So, I guess I'll have to talk to Yared Sour about that. Because it gets into weird stuff when Ludum Dare 53 on April 28th comes around, because it's the end of April. We would be working on it until, well, Saturday and Sunday are both still in April. And if we worked on it into Monday, then that would make it a crossing the month. My only problem with having that, because it's at the end of the month, is because I would have to make the video immediately afterwards. Or I guess I could have it on Friday to like start up that month. Just kind of weird. And then September. August. September. Oh, that's also at the last week of the month. So we have to deal with that twice. We have to deal with that more often than not. Huh. Oh well. Well, that one at least is all the way at the end. It would be the second to last project. I think I will... I need to make a note to do that. Hold on. Let me get a piece of paper. That's the wrong pen and pencil. Okay, so did 53 and 54, yes. And September 29th. Last Fridays. honestly, if I were to decide, I would say yes, we would be doing them, because honestly, it feels much more freeing for this month to not have to worry about the game for now. Not have to worry about working on a game for this month, so I can work on other projects. Or I should say focus on other projects. Alright, let's get back to work. Alright, so error localization find. Let's do this. Failed to find localization file. Oops. Do that, and then oops. Ooh, that settings find. Localization underscore info. What is this supposed to be? It's going to be /t/t like that. Theoretically, that should put us at the same level as this, so that this is kind of like a more info type of thing. Let's copy these. Build a debug. Info. Boom. Boom, boom. Actually, also this. Boom, boom. If I build that, does everything work properly? Oh wait, hold on. I need to debug.add, and then this there. Build. Now nothing should happen there because the data is there. Loaded program settings. Okay, data. Localization. Delete those. Now run this file. Okay. Slow. It's the right position, but it's not the right. It didn't include the thing. Oh, that's why. There we go. Run. Debug.log. Yep. No. I'm wondering. wondering if this might be better. I think I like that better. Because it's an extension of this, so it needs to. Let me open up Notion and add in debug multi multi-input set priority low tags debug. Allow debug dot to log to have multiple inputs for successive loins. All right, I'll do that. All right. Alright, default settings, save settings. We're not gonna have the localization be saved inside of the game. That would be a lot of work to constantly update, so I'm not gonna do that. Also, having an entire function to save the settings, the localization would be annoying. So I'm gonna do that. Cut that out. Now, one of my goals with this is to actually have it so that if like you change the language setting mid-game, it will be fine. Because when you change it, it'll just free it and then reinitialize it immediately. At least that's the hope. So we'll load file, grab grabbing localization should be easy. This function should honestly be shorter than the other one. Honestly. So load file. This is a simple thing. Raw data error are equal to os.read entire file from file name, and then that would be location, and then convert it to JSON data error JSON parse raw data. Oop, not that. And then technically, actually, oh wait, no. Okay, I have an idea for this. let's see if this will work. I think I can do it like this. And then do data dot hold on, wait. Let's do this really quickly. Build. Oh, wait, I never actually... what was it? It was encoding.json. Okay, localization 62. Okay. Just to clean it up so that I can actually read everything. Okay, options. Okay, so it is... So if I do it like this... value. If I do it like that. Yeah, okay. Alright. Figuring this out. Figuring it out. Oh, I never... Crap, I forgot. Let me pause this. Oh, wait. That's not what I wanted to do. Be right back. I totally forgot that I had changed how I was going to handle, streams and whatnot. On my Discord server. there. Alright. Sorry about that. I need to remember to do that. Alright, so we are getting the strings now. What we need to do is we need to take this. So data value is equal to strings dot, what was it? Shit. Clone to C string from this. And I'm going to just do a quick test of that. Data empty dot printf value, and then data value build strings I gotta use some strings options. See all this bundas controllable new game. All right, everything is there. And it's even there. Yay! It's all working. I'm actually really fucking happy this is working this easily. So now settings loaded. I shouldn't have spaced all that yet. Loaded program. Oh. Copy, paste, and then we need to do these, but all of it's generalized. Build. There we go. And it's not working now. Alright, so it must be when I clean up. I can't actually clean up. Ooh. Lovely. Why can't... You ever see those mobile ads where it's like a dude running down a hall and they shoot pillars, but the actual game is Clash of Clans? Yeah. I've been getting a lot of like TikTok TikTok ads. What the? Wait, you can... Why can you... Ooh, that's... What? You can see that... Oh, fuck. I gave myself a heart attack there. I was very confused. I totally forgot that a few weeks ago I logged into my Streamlabs using my YouTube. God, I totally forgot about that. Just fuck. That scared the shit out of me. Guy running down the hall shooter is better than the actual game. Yeah, I've been getting, as I was going to say, I've been getting a lot of ads on TikTok of like those games, but the people like pretending as if they're actual games. Because I would rather play that. I saw a fucking ad of a Pokemon version of that, and I was flabbergasted. I was absolutely flabbergasted. It's so weird that the live chat on OBS is not correct. Well, it's not showing the entire chat. It's weird. Whatever. Alright, so why make the video? Exactly. Poos. Oh my. That's something else right there. You know what I love about this? Oh wait. Never mind. It's because I have this here. I thought it was saving the colon there. Like, it was such a good concept for a mobile game. Yeah. It's weird. I don't understand it. Like, it's so weird that these companies put so much effort into making ads for games that technically like, they make fake ads for their game instead of, like, just making their game like the ad. Like, it makes no sense because you're putting more effort into it. Like, the only game that has an excuse for it is that, like, fucking Evertale or whatever it's called. Because, like, the fucking social media team for that game, they just had a fucking hoot and a holler for heaven, and they just went all out with an ARG for no actual reason that has nothing to do with the actual game. It's fucking hilarious. They're the only ones allowed to do that, in my opinion, because they went above and beyond to do something fucking wild and wacky. But, like, these other games, they just, like, you're putting effort into making 2 games, but you're, like, advertising the shittier version. I just don't get it. So does that mean that I have to just not destroy the JSON? Yeah, it looks like I can't destroy the JSON because I'm cloning it to the C string. But shouldn't cloning it... What the fuck? I have 2 chats open because I can't see one of them. I can't see the full version of one of them. Why can I see piss on yourself or divorce in only one of the chats? What? What? I feel like I'm having a stroke today. Today's been weird. Today's been really weird. I guess I can't destroy the JSON data, which isn't good. Piss on yourself or divorce. You have to choose. Like, are you saying, like, piss your pants, or like pee straight up and have it land on you? Because that makes a big difference. Even though one of them is just fucking really easy. So destroy value. I can't destroy it. Why can't I destroy it? Clone from bytes. Pee your pants. Oh, I have to, I can't divorce because I'm not married to anyone, so I have to pee my pants. That makes so weird. Why doesn't it let you? Clone to C string. Okay, fair, but would you pee my pants? Oh, absolutely. You just have to ask. It's so weird how long it takes for the chat to actually update. If I had thought about it, I would actually had like gotten a timer ready. Actually, I can probably do that right now. Yeah, that's fine. I'm not gonna do that. I don't know. It's weird. It's really weird. This is really weird. I guess I just have to not delete it. I'll just deal with it, I guess. It's weird. But I mean, fuck. If I can't do it, I can't do it. But localization is done. And it's a lot simpler than the old version. If you look at the old version is what? 200, almost 200, well, actually, over 250 lines in total. And I've shortened that to 66. Jeez. JSON, and I've made it a lot better too. Like it's just flat out better, period. So that's cool. That's very cool. Ooh, I hear my phone. Because my phone is right next to my microphone, you could probably hear it. Let's see. What else? I could work on graphics, but that's going to take a long time. And since I'm not going to be streaming on Friday, that's going to be awkward. I guess I could do in graphics, new folder, UI, new file, main menu.odin. I can do this. Package UI. Imports. Procedures. The way I'm going to handle it for this is basically I'm just going to have it draw main menu, proc, do that. The obvious things that we need here: import vendor raylib, import game and localization So I need to figure out how I did the old UI stuff. Okay, so this is going to be a big thing. For some reason, I thought I had this stuff really easily done, but no, I have to rewrite, or at least reorganize some stuff here. For UI, I definitely need to... Where's UI? There it is. Elements and new file button .odin. I'm definitely going to make them more generic rather than having things for this. Package elements import procedures. Draw button, proc, and need a bool to tell. So the draw function, that's going to be fucking weird. The draw function is going to have logic in it, which is uncomfortable for me, to be honest. I like separating out drawing and drawing and logic, but I don't really have the option here. I just kind of have to do it, which I guess is fine. Need raylib, so I'm looking at this to see what things I can use and what things I don't need. I think, though, a lot of this is necessary. So I'm just going to copy it and work backwards from that. So raylib, I can basically copy this stuff. Draw and patch. Oops. What is this? Imagine that's... I think that's the origin, which is fine. Don't need that right now. BG color current. Alright, I know some things I can do. Do this stuff first. Test bounds. What is test bounds? Is that within this? Where is bounds? Because bounds has to be within GUI new. Because there's no... using. So it has to be somewhere in this package. Button new. That's there. Date new. Not used there. Label. Not used there. Main menu. What's used here? Ah, here it is. Test bounds. Oh, of course it would be in management. I didn't even read that was called management. That's my fault. Okay, so new file general.odin package elements. Honestly, I'm just going to assume that this is a good function because it's so simple. So very simple. Alright, so test bounds, mouse position, button, transform, color current, so change this to BG color. Don't need that. Mouse button released. Just do this instead, and then result lol equals false. Do that, copy. So we change this if released, do results is equal to true. There we go. So we draw the texture end patch, we calculate the text position, and then draw the text on top of it. Now, why is this? That's weird. Okay, so this needs to go to elements. So we do elements dot draw button, and we have so much stuff here. Let's just copy all this stuff and paste it here. There we go. Okay, so rectangle 0, 0, 100, 100, texture, which we don't have any textures loaded. We don't have any general graphics yet, which is my fault. I can't do anything with this without general graphics. Fuck. So that means I need general graphics before I do anything with this further. Can I compile it still, or... Yeah, because I don't call anything, so it's fine. I will keep this open. I can close that, close that, close that, close that, close that, and I will open instead graphics and save that open, and then do that as well. Alright. Graphics, new file, graphics.odin, package, graphics, imports, procedures, net. Okay. Data. I don't need that really. I don't need a structure for that. I can just have general text box. Import render lib. Nah, I'll just name it. I'll just keep it general text box. There we have that. So now we just need to initialize all this stuff. So general text box is equal to this is a lot simpler of a situation. Oh, fucking of course. back in time perfectly to have the break call come in. Should I have a break or should I just jump into it? Is this technically... Did I just technically have a break? I need to use the restroom actually, so I will have a break. I'll be right back again. Sorry about that. Alright, I'm back. What the hell? Why is the thing working there? What? Oh my fucking god. Whoa. Why? What the hell is going on here? Why is this so big? So big. I'm sorry about this. I'm having trouble figuring out why it's like this. Why did it suddenly start working? Why is it so absolutely massive? Hold on, let's why is it? All right, transform, center horizontally. Filters. Right, center horizontally. Does it? It works again. What the hell was going on? I don't know. Oh well, it's working now. Alright. Why is only one unload texture here? Oh. Oh. Alright, so main menu. So then I can do graphics, not elements, UI. And do a in the drawing dot draw main menu. Background would equal dot graphics. Oops. Wait. Dot that. Oops. That. Default. We'll just go raylib dot gray, and then well, light gray maybe. Raylib dot dark gray. Hopefully there's both of those. That'd be nice. Graphics.font, and then oh no, that's fine though. Settings dot font size. Is that the right? Is that the right size? Yes. I mean the right situation. Raylib dot black. And I can do localization data new game before I compile. Make sure everything is good. Whoosh. Alright. Undeclared name raylib. Where is that? That's in Elements General. Okay, main menu, font size is not declared by settings. Yes, it is. Oh, there. Cannot assign value, graphics, general text box. Oh, that's right. This is a pointer. This is a pointer. The font is also a pointer, and that's also a pointer. Build. Now an elements button is a bunch of 28 is the first one here. BG color selected, save, and then bunch of 41, transform, okay. That should be all of it, right? Okay, let's see if this works. Holy shit, it worked. And let's see if... build. Let's see. Oh, yep. Now this should only be on true. There we go. We have a new way of drawing things. That doesn't... We have a new way of drawing things so that now we don't have to store unnecessary information and remember to clear information and all this bullshit. Now it's just simple and clean, like the way that you're making me feel tonight. We've been streaming for 2.5 hours. Fuck. So, something that kind of just jumped into the situation today, like this morning, we're getting a cat. Like, we've known we've been getting a cat since before December, since November, I think. But it kind of was just thrown at us today. Oh, hey, the cat's ready. Like they were cooking it up. But yeah, they said it's good to take the cat, and we're doing that right now. So we'll see. I think they're on their way home now. I think. So I think I have to wait. Well, I can finish doing the main menu. Do I need... I could just do all this stuff, couldn't I? Oh, I had an... Wow. I am amazed. I am amazed. Look at this shit. I literally did the exact same fucking thing. Exact same thing. Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy shit. Well, let me open up the main menu, because I'm pretty sure that means I can just copy all this shit now. Let's just comment this out and then paste. I'm pretty sure there's going to be stuff I need to edit. Let me actually split right. Move this in here. No, not there. There. Okay, so let's scroll this down to the bottom so that I can see this stuff. Oh, I don't have. Oh no, wait. This is Raylip, so it's fine. Okay, so that's there. I'm pretty sure with a lot of this stuff, I can just do this, copy and paste it in. With the only exception being doing that because it's grayed out. Same with this. Oops. And this is mods. This is options. This is quit. Let's see if this works. Nope. Oh, draw button new. That's right. Find, replace with, oops. It would be actually elements dot draw button. So replace, 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 replace. Save. Let's see if that works. Build. Okay, more stuff. 15. There. Settings. Dot data. Dot window height. Build. Alright, so 20 now. Graphics, okay. Graphics dot font. Raylib dot black. Oh, I didn't do that there. So all of these have that. There. Build. Let's see what more. Alright, main button. 32. Where are they? They're somewhere around here. Main button with, wait, this is the one. Okay. What are we using? We're using game data. Is it in game data? No, it's not. Where is it? GUI new. No. Oh, right there. I'll do that. Build. Title screen, world map, abort. 118, 119, 124. Now see, I can't import main. But I can do this. Like that. So now well, actually, let's reverse that. True, false. Do Wait, can I have that like that? And abort. Ooh. I've okay. That's my fault. I forgot about that. Do that. Built. Okay, cool. Look at this. Look, and it has all the fucking... Look at how easily I made localization work. Just work. JSON really saved my fucking hide. We're getting back on track. Everything is almost working now. I do want the mod button to work in the same way that the launcher kind of works for Paradox games, where you can create packs, but that kind of stuff, that's going to be its own thing. I originally, on my Notion, I was originally going to have that its own thing, its own update, but I think given how much progress I've been making with using JSON and how much that actually helps, I genuinely think modding support can be added in and working in this patch, and I don't have to separate it out into a completely different one. That'd be useful, but that would be coming after the refactorization is done, which means the only thing left to do Actually, and also a way that I could change this. I can do that, and then result is equal to there, and I can have a switch statement. Actually, yeah, switch result case 1 and that can be a way of pushing out different values. I could definitely have a situation. Actually, I can have in main menu here out quit 1 out new game 2 out load game 3 out options 4 out mods 5. I could do it like this, and it would allow me to go to main here and do case result UI dot out quit. Basically, it did fucking janky ass janky ass enum basically. I could do an enum, but I feel like it would expand this out too long, and I like the idea of it just being UI.outQuit. And do other things like there we go. Oh wait, I already did outquit. It technically should work, even though they do nothing. They technically just do nothing. They do function, just not doing anything. And here I'm going to just shove this over. Wait, that's not... Oh, that wasn't this one. I thought that was this one. Alright, so I am happy with the outcome of today. Gotten a good chunk done. I'm just going to do localization. I'm trying to be more organized, so I'm putting dates. Localization. Starting UI elements 23.1.4. Anything else? Oh, that's right. graphics. Anything else? I think that's it. So the only thing left to do really is the map and nations. But nations and that kind of stuff are going to be kind of nations, provinces. Oh man, that's gonna be weird. But that's for future Josh to figure out. That'll be it for me today. Shorter a stream. I'm gonna be working a lot this weekend. So on Friday we're gonna be doing Ludum Dare. I'm probably going to be streaming at least the first day of it, and I will be recording the rest for the video I will post the week after. But yeah. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys next time. Bye.